Imagine finding cancer before you even feel sick. No pain, no visible symptoms, just a quiet, completely hidden change. Every year, millions of people receive a cancer diagnosis, but the biggest hurdle in treating them is rarely the medicine itself, it's the clock. Cancer acts as a silent multiplier. A tumor can grow and spread aggressively for months or even years without triggering a single biological alarm or causing any physical discomfort. By the time a patient actually feels unwell enough to seek help at a clinic, the disease has usually entrenched itself deep within the body, making intervention exponentially more difficult. In the fight against cancer, time is the ultimate enemy, and right now, our timeline is dangerously delayed. Our frontline defense against this delay relies on traditional medical imaging, like high-resolution MRIs, detailed CT scans, and routine screening mammograms to look inside the body. To interpret these highly complex visual maps, we rely entirely on the trained eyes of human doctors. But doctors are human. During long diagnostic shifts spent staring at hundreds of images, fatigue naturally sets in and concentration can waver. This becomes a major vulnerability because early-stage cancers don't look like obvious threats. Their patterns are so microscopic, they easily blend into the surrounding healthy tissue. The human eye simply hasn't evolved to reliably catch these tiny fluctuations in contrast and shape hidden within a sea of static. We are fighting a microscopic war using macroscopic vision, which leaves a fatal blind spot in modern medicine. To bridge that gap, hospitals are turning to artificial intelligence. AI doesn't see an image the way our brains do. Instead of looking for a shape, the algorithm breaks the scan down, processing millions of individual pixels as pure mathematical values. It learns by ingesting massive datasets. Millions of medical images are fed in, labeled by experts. Over time, it learns the precise mathematical differences between healthy tissue and anomalies. When a new scan arrives, the AI instantly compares it against that historical record. Faster, androgenic tone. Unlike a doctor on hour 10 of a shift, the algorithm never gets tired, never loses focus, and completes its analysis in seconds. Diagnosis shifts from a subjective observation into a lightning-fast objective calculation. Return to measured tone. These systems are actively moving out of research labs and into hospitals today. They are already being deployed to target some of the most aggressive diseases, including breast cancer, lung cancer, and skin cancer. In several major clinical trials, these AI tools have successfully matched and occasionally exceeded the detection rates of expert human radiologists. But these early systems have a core limitation. They are entirely dependent on data quality. The algorithm can only make accurate comparisons if the original training images were highly diverse, clear, and perfectly labeled by humans in the first place. The software is a powerful asset, but its effectiveness is tied directly to the information we feed it, making it an evolving tool rather than a finished cure. In clinical practice, this technology functions as an instantaneous first-pass filter on incoming hospital scans. It analyzes the data and highlights the mathematically suspicious areas, drawing a clear digital map of exactly where to look. The human doctor then reviews those specific zones, applying their medical context and clinical experience to make the final authoritative diagnosis. This creates a powerful collaborative system where AI augments human intuition, providing a specialized co-pilot to support the physician's expertise. The immediate result of this partnership is that doctors instantly save hours they used to spend hunting for microscopic flaws on glowing monitors. With that precious time reclaimed, medical professionals can focus entirely on direct patient care, clear communication, and starting treatment immediately. As these efficiency gains are proven in high-volume clinics, larger hospital networks are beginning to treat AI integration as a necessary baseline for modern oncology. When scans are analyzed instantly and accurately, early pre-symptomatic warnings transition from rare luck to routine procedure, drastically improving survival statistics. Ultimately, the patient gets to walk out of the hospital with a real fighting chance because the disease was caught before it could take hold. Modern medicine relies on this alliance between human expertise and machine precision to outsmart deadly diseases.